What's this guy doing here? What are you doing, guy? All right, guys. Monday workflow right now. Back out trucking. We're gonna have probably a busy week, but yeah, this is wild right now. I'm in Bronx, New York. For all you truckers who know, New York is like extremely stressful, and this is any trucker's dream right here, guys. We got plenty of traffic and crappy weather. Anyways, I hope your guys' Monday is going good, because today wasn't bad until I got into, like, when I was leaving Connecticut and like Fairfield, Stamford area, and then obviously New York. I had a live load this morning. So that took about, let's see, I got there at 7:30, 8:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, about 3 hours. But this, guys, this is extremely stressful. Like, I mean, you're so close to everybody. This is my first time driving in New York City with a semi-truck. So, look at my windows all fogged up. And we got the trailer on back there. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, we got the 53 footer on there, and I think this right lane is closed up top here. This is the thing, I should have got over back when I had the chance to, but I thought I was Mr. Slick Rick over here. Just trying to get to my fuel stop in New Jersey, and then I'm heading to Pennsylvania, dropping this load. This is a really light load. It's only like 8,000 pounds. And then I'm picking up an empty and going back to Jersey. I think like Monroe or Township or something for a live load. Thank God I don't have a manual, guys, because I seen a couple guys earlier look like they were struggling. But look at this. Look at this congestion right here, guys. I literally have 3 hours and 57 minutes on my clock. Well, I'm running off my... Yeah, I made crappy time today, guys. Really crappy time. But, you know, I even started like earlier too. I started at like 5:30 this morning. Well, I was late, but I was really tired starting this morning because I had 4 days off. So, but the customer I went to in Massachusetts earlier, in Clinton, Mass, they didn't open until 8. So I got there at 7:30. I was waiting around till at least like, what? They didn't load me until like 8. I think like 8:10 or something like that. 8:30. So. What up, man? Chilling. Oh, look at this. We got an accident right here, guys. How many cars is that? 2 cars? Yeah, look at them. They had to pull off the shoulder because they were literally blocking the road. A lot of you guys like the trucking content, so I figured, you know, why not post a little day vlog or whatever. I mean, I got some free time. I cannot wait to stop tonight and make some dinner. I'll show you guys what I have. I got like everything fully loaded. So I have food in the truck, which is super beneficial, guys. And it definitely helps alleviate stress. Like, especially if you're stuck somewhere and you literally have like no food on your truck, you're pretty much screwed essentially. Because you can't just pull this thing with a 53 footer. You can't just pull this thing at any spot. You know what I mean? It requires so much space. But, yeah, this is it. I should be wearing my my headset. There we go. My super trucker headset, guys. It's like when you give them this gap too. I do this specifically for me, guys, this gap. But when I give them a gap, people just start merging in on me and just taking space, so it's almost like pointless. I will be happy when I'm off of 95. So 95's not bad. It's not a bad interstate, but if you're going south, 95 south, it's anywhere underneath, I would say like Virginia, it's really not that bad, guys. Like, but coming up north, like Jersey, New York, even in Connecticut, like Fairfield area, guys, it's a cluster. Absolute cluster. You definitely don't want to be caught in New York in the afternoon. That's one thing I just learned. But if you're not learning something new every day in the trucking industry, you're basically screwing up. So what I learned was that you got to be through the major cities at a reasonable time, you know, specifically early morning. But like I said, I didn't have any choice. Like if I didn't have to go to Mass this morning and I got a load straight down here, I would have been fine. But yeah, other than that, guys, like I'm just happy I got the Freightliner. I love this truck. This truck is awesome. It's really good AC and stuff. It's a 2021 and we have 273,000 miles on the dash. So she's new, but she's old at the same time. What's this guy doing here? Look at him, look at him. What are you doing, guy? Like, get out of here, man. This is, oh man. Whew. This is what? My second week of solo? My first day of my second week solo, and I'm getting a handful right now. I'm getting a whole handful, but I guess I'm up for the challenge, you know? But yeah, be sure you guys are liking this video. This is, you know, this gives me something to post for when I'm not home. You guys know I'm not really gonna be home that much. And even though I do love making my car stuff, like, I still do enjoy trucking, but I really wanna, like, I don't mind making trucking videos. I just want to enjoy it. So like, I'm not going to be doing like trucking videos every single day. Okay, so I'm going to get going. I want to concentrate. This is kind of like pretty congested for me and stuff, like being a new guy. So I really need to focus and stuff. But I'll hit you guys up in a little while when I stop and then I start cooking some food up. So I got some, like I said, I got some trucking videos planned. They're going to be pretty cool. So I'll see you guys soon when it's dinner time. Guys, now we are about to fuel, so I'm here at a TA real quick. I'm trying to make this quick. I gotta get DEF and diesel in one, so let's hit these lights. You know if they got any spots back there? You know if they have any spots back there opened up?
Where?
Like to park it. You don't know? I'll have to take a stroll. Thanks, man. I gotta find somewhere to park in like an hour and a half. I'm running out of time and shit.
Oh, okay.
So,
If you want like overnight parking,
yeah.
like exit 3.
Exit 3?
Exit 3, make a right. There's a local gas station, like 10, 15 truck parking there.
All right,
So,
yeah. Appreciate that. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Thank you. Woo! Look at that. 608 bucks. I think I was at like maybe a quarter or a half or something. And of course, when you're trying to go places, there's always a traffic jam. I don't know what's going on up there. That JB Hunt dude's just literally blocking the road entirely. So let's see, for dinner tonight, I'm gonna do some salad. I have some fresh spinach already on the plate here. I gotta rinse these mushrooms off, black olives, and then there's some ranch. So literally, I didn't get too many things, guys, because I only have a cooler this time out until I get a mini fridge.